So I've spent hundreds, maybe thousands of pounds on beard care products. Sounds crazy, but I know a lot of you are probably in the same boat. Beard care products can get expensive super fast, especially if you've got beard oils, balm, butters, waxes, super expensive. Over the last year, I've been experimenting and I came across this one beard oil from Bulldog Skincare, or just Bulldog, right? That was dirt cheap. And I was like, this beard oil cannot be good. It has to suck. It's like £3.50, which is this much in dollars. And I was so surprised. This beard oil did not suck. Instead, it's become an absolute mainstay in my beard care routine. It's one of my go-to products. And yeah, like I can't imagine saying this a couple years ago. I was so against like trying Bulldog products out, but they've changed my life, and here's how. For anyone new to this channel, my name's Daniel and I'm the guy behind the camera here at Beardster. What is Beardster, right? Like Beardster is a channel where we talk about beard care, men's health, mental health, just navigating the world as a man in the 21st century. If that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe by clicking the subscribe button somewhere down there and hit the like button. These things signal so much to the algorithm and it just really helps my channel grow. I'm gonna put a lot of effort into this channel to grow it, build it, make it sustainable. So yeah, thank you for watching. And to my returning subscribers, my returning viewers, my friends, I appreciate you. Let's get back into the video. Bulldog, how's it changed my life? Firstly, their skincare products, their face wash, and their moisturizer have cleared my skin pretty much of any imperfection. I've been a guy that suffered with like acne since I was like a teenager, even into manhood, and it's not been fun. My skin's never been better. So I was using those products for about a year, maybe 6 months before I tried the beard oil, and that's kind of why I got into the beard oil. The beard oil has surprised me massively. So what's in this beard oil, right? Because for the price, you imagine it to just be full of synthetics, silicones, rubbish. It's not. It's all natural. It's got some preservatives in there. Please call me out if I got this wrong, but I'm pretty certain it's all natural. And a few of the oils that really do a lot of good things for me is the sunflower seed oil, which is the main component. We have sweet almond oil as well. And then we have a little surprise in there. We have oakmoss. So oakmoss gives depth to the scent profile. It's just one of those that's like a base note. Typically like your scents are like top, middle, bottom. It's like a little hierarchy there. And these are like the not so strong, but they're gonna last a while. So yeah, it's a cool scent profile to have. The profile of the scent is like a woodsy, sort of fresh kind of vibe. It's kind of standard. That's the con of this beard oil, right? The scent is basic, doesn't last too long, isn't too punchy, which I actually like. I'm not a fan of those really hard hitting scents on beard oils, especially like it's right under your nose all day. I don't want to just smell a really big scent. It gives me headaches. Anyway, I'm special like that. Maybe you are too. Let me know in the comments. But overall, the scent's okay. The feel of the oil on the beard is great. It's kind of like a sticky but thin beard oil that absorbs really fast. So it gets really good coverage, but then absorbs really fast. That's why I really like it, because I can cover my beard, and as my beard gets bigger, typically I'll need to use a little bit more beard oil. It's still doing the dirty work. And the way I use this beard oil is I'll use it 1 or 2 days in a row, and then I'll use like a pricier, harder hitting, more prestigious. I think that's a little bit unfair, but maybe a little bit of a different beard oil that maybe costs 3 to 10 times the price of this one. And just the last point I want to linger on about this Bulldog beard oil is how easy it is to buy. So I live in a quiet town, but where the shops are, so in the UK, we call this the town centre. If I go into town, right, where the shops are, I can pretty much find it in any shop that sells men's skincare products. And I don't have that many shops that do that, surprisingly. And I can find it for sort of £3.50 to £6 a bottle. But for me, I just go onto Amazon, click buy, it's like £3.61 or something ridiculous, weird price at the moment. Or I just do a subscribe and save, like it depends how often I want to get the oil and how much I'm using it. But for that price, I just don't notice it. I know like times are tough right now, right? Like everything costs a crazy amount of money, and I know a bunch of people don't want to be spending 10, 15, 20 pounds a bottle for beard oil that might last them a month at best. With this beard oil, you can get almost a year's supply for like 30 quid. That's perfect right now. I just think, given the times, it's a really good budget beard oil to try out if you haven't already. I've left the link to Amazon where you can pick it up. It's an affiliate link, so I'll get some kickback if you do decide to buy it. This is in no way sponsored. I've never spoken to Bulldog whatsoever. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of what they're doing, my friends. So check it out. And before you go, check out this video. If you haven't already, it's all about the 10 beard mistakes you need to avoid what's growing out like a big beard. See ya.